Hello, welcome back again with me here, Lina Dichiera at GreatHomeKitchen&Garden. Today I'm going to show you in my garden that zucchini is ready to pick. Let's show you. I will show you how to harvest this zucchini. This is a perfect size, about 6 to 8 inches, just harvested and tender tasted. But because I want to make a zucchini boat, so I choose a medium-sized zucchini. It's around 10 to 12 inches. And here I use scissors to pick. But some people just hold to the zucchini and give it a nice twist. It should snap off easily. And did you know zucchini flower are edible too? Remember that. Mild flowers are used for pollination, so don't pick too many out of it. Zucchini can be harvested every day as soon as they start flowering and producing. And zucchini good plant in the summer season, where zucchini grow every day. They grow so quickly if the weather is warm and put plenty of water. And look at this zucchini, that's so beautiful. I choose this size. See, this one I use a knife and gently cut on the top of stem of zucchini, and then dig a little bit. And then do it again, cut it on the top a little bit, and then give it a nice twist and easily take it out this zucchini from the zucchini plant. See that one? It's a perfect size for the zucchini boat. I'm going to show you how I make the zucchini boat recipe in the next video. So this one, I do the same thing too. This one is 2 days old of zucchini, where it's perfect for the recipe that I want to make. Zucchini boat, yeah, I put it a lot of stuffy mincemeat in it, and you will see it in the next video. See how that different is? So that small zucchini is produced on 1 day, and this one is 2 days. Look, this is zucchini that I harvest from my backyard garden. Thank you for watching, and give a thumbs up and share our video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.